Oh, good Lord. Just got undercurtains like a frigger. Big time. So, but before they come, I got to play crafty a little bit. Not too bad. Just go down to the neighbors and grab some of these pallets that he picked up for garden things or something. But anyways, I don't even know where I'm going to put them. Brr. Cold. Got the tire horde semi-friggin' situated. The fangs still got a weld bin and stuff, but man, the layer, that's so much nicer now. No more lake inwood, new fangs. Man, still gonna pull out crawdad stakes. I'll do that when I get back. Figure some shit out, do some jigging, put the gravels along the edge and different things. Yeah. So at least test situation. Already had an issue where the lock won't come unlocked. Oh, this is nice. See, there's no click click. No safeties. Safety's always off. So there's that. Oh, now this is way better. Well, frig my antler. Look at inwood.
How you doing?
Not too bad, what are you saying?
Busy place in here right now.
Yeah.
How's the drive?
Oh, not too bad.
Beauty day for a drive anyway.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Good. Let me go see if there's a smaller fork.
Right on.
Get it. How's that?
There you go.
That work?
Can you shove it this way a bit? Like this? Look at you heavy. That should be good.
Look busy.
Right on, man.
Thank you very much, eh?
Yeah, have a good day.
See ya.
Knuckles been talking with Fred about cutting the fence. Man, that thing runs mint, dude.
She's been sitting for a minute.
Runs awesome.
Fill up the gas cap with some gas and put it right on the fucking air filter.
Give her 65 pumps.
Don't snap it like fucking volatility, man.
Piss. piss. There's no fluids into it. There's no fluids into it. Meckham's been talking with Fred about cutting the fence and escaping. There's my new bucket and my friggin' new topner cover for my new one. Yeah. Okay, I gotta straighten out the yard. The plan is I'm gonna put all the trucks along here, all my projects and everything, all these bins and totes and stuff, all this stuff over there. So over there will be stuff, all the trucks and everything from over here are gonna go over here. I'm gonna put my trailer there for now, put the plow truck in there. And so it's probably where it'll sit for a bit because it's decked. And yeah, let's get started. Then I need to have a cigarette. I forgot them inside. Sakes. Look at them go, boys. Look at them friggin' go. No hesitation, straight in there. How's the Donnie?
Right over his bowel.
Do you got a cigarette?
No, I wanted to eat one.
See the new concrete, buddy? And we're gonna do burnouts? Like fucking a big time? Oil.
Oil here? Oh no, you no put outside.
You put outside.
Oh, put inside. Wow. That one? Long?
Sure.
Okay.
Don't make a mess. Don't make it messy.
No, hey.
What?
Another one. Outside there.
Moldy?
Outside there, another one. Marijuana.
Marijuana?
My friend, he go. Oil. Wow. 6 pound oil. My horse, he 6 pound oil. 1 pound oil. 4,000. 1 pound 4,000.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I got better. I know more. Eh, no good. Here, 30 pound, 1 pound 4,000.
Oh my goodness. I don't know if that's the
Yeah.
Donica or you, buddy.
He let it go, let it go.
You smell. Get some pictures of it.
How did you get that thing?
What? This?
Yeah.
I made it.
Go.
Just welded 2 I-beams together that were out of the scrap bin and a piece of train track I had and bolted that on there.
Still a good idea. Just put it all together like that.
Yeah. My good new one. Yep, just put the cup there. Put the cup in the van. Put the cup in the van. You brain damaged? Holy shit. Huh? Too much he's got some brain damage for crying out loud. Holy suffered. What the f happened to Too Muchy? He probably just severely bumped the hell out. You good?
Oh, that one very good. You know? Yeah, that one very good. Oh, you can't fit here. Okay, I go ahead. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah.
Take it all.
Hello?
Yeah, take it all. All of it. All the oil.
Oh, too much oil.
Oh, I apologize. Man, Meckham does good work.
With the oil, no last one with the oil. He no hot.
Oh yeah? Okay. Thank you. Shit, I'm a traptorsman. I'm a traptorsman big time. Did you see me being a traptorsman?
Yeah.
I really beat a traptorsman, buddy.
Yeah, buddy. That's awesome.
I'm gonna start getting shit all organized a little bit, maybe. Probably not, but that's the plan. But too stupid, so who knows?
No,
Oh, what happened? You want a hoot? Oh, I wasn't just passing your baby a hoot.
I thought he was gonna freak out for sure.
Oh no, you're Matone. You're fucking Matone, dude. Oh shit! Holy shit! What happened to my truck? Somebody's done that. I was parked on the road probably. Because they're too fucking much of a bitch to fucking do anything to me, so they'll do stuff to my truck. You know what I mean? They wouldn't dare fucking say anything to my face, but they'll hit my truck when I'm not looking. You know what I mean?
Buddy, I'll beat your
Because they're
dick off.
super tough. You know what I mean? Like if you ever wondered how tough somebody is, just see if they'll fucking, if they got an issue with somebody, if they'll take it up with them or if they'll fucking whack their truck a little bit. You know what I mean?
Easy.
Ah, that's my good fender too. It's not even rusty or nothing. That's my good one. That Grumman, I'm going to take the engine and everything out of that black truck, put it in the Grumman and everything. It's a 5-speed, right? It's got like a hydraulic fucking thing on the transmission so you can run different things or, you know, whatever. But, you know, I might do like, you know, just have it so like it's got like auxiliary hydraulics out the back so that, you know, my trailer, like, instead of having an electric winch, I got a hydraulic winch because I have a hydraulic winch, and it's just like plug trailer in, plug the hydraulic lines in, fucking, and then just rev up the engine PTO up, and then it's just like unstoppable, fucking just rip that motherfucker on there regardless. And you know, but I'll register it as a camper, right? I'll put a toilet in it and a seat in it, or, you know, a bed or something in there. Oh, it's my camper. Register as a camper, and then rip that shit the fuck out of there. You know, I'll just put it in there. Right? I won't hook up the toilet or
to keep the toilet though.
And and then it's registered as a camper. I can there's no restriction on weight. I can get a huge trailer. You know what I mean? Like I'll do the engine up really awesome so that it fucking tows fucking terrible, and then you know, reinforce the son of a bitch if I have to. Like it's a, you know, heavy duty truck. So, but you know, maybe get a couple extra leafs in it. It's got airbags, but you know, we'll replace them with some fresh ones and fucking get that all tickety-boo so that it's fucking more awesome, and that'll be my fucking rig, man. That'll be fucking awesome. I'll do the roof and solar panels and you know what I mean? Battery mixers in there, so I got lots of power for different things, you know?
So, if I had time to wipe my own ass.
Oh, fuck, here we go. Listen, you save 20 to 30 seconds a day wiping your ass. If you just quit, you got that time to fucking come to Inwood.
Yeah, I tried quitting that and I get all gummed up and then I can't shit till 5.
Well, you just fucking, you let it dry. You don't fucking keep it wet. Fuck
you gotta
sakes.
hold it in.
Holy fuck, you're fucked.
That
Don't
way
even
you
know
get,
how,
like, the
don't even know
turtle
how
head
to
all day,
not
it's like
wipe.
you're fucking totally just getting it from behind all day.
Mm-hmm. 3 good pieces made up, so it's nice, and screw it right to the ground, so it's all good. No fucking, you know what I mean? No tripping because my fucking cords and shit lines get snagged on that shit and dragging it all over the place. Holy fuck. But other than that, this is fucking mint setup. Just like a fucking cash machine. Huh?